Hey folks, Adam here from Elite Demonstrations. We're looking at this robot vacuum. The brand is Smart AI. It's got a mop combo. It's the G50B, and it has a strong 250 PA of suction. This is a self-charging robot that will dock itself as well. It's great on pet hair, low pile carpets, hardwood floors, and it has that app and voice control. Yeah, that's absolutely fantastic. Now, I love that it's got that big water tank, 300 milliliters, and the 530 milliliter dustbin means that it will collect a lot of dirt and debris before you have to empty it out. It does use a HEPA filter, and you can change that out every 2 weeks or so. This is great for mopping without soaking your floors, and it is worry-free and, of course, labor-saving because you can go into the app, you can set the day of the week or the time of day that you want it to work, and even have it do a specific room because it'll map them while you're asleep or at work. When the power level is lower than 20%, the recharge mode will be activated. Upon fully charge, the robot vacuum will continue and finish the task. Yeah, this thing is smart. I love the app control. I love the remote control, and you can have this thing do what you need it to do so you don't have to. Yeah, that's right. We're in a time frame where you don't have to walk around, drag a corded vacuum around your house. You can use a smart robot vacuum. And that 2600 mAh capacity battery will clean your house for 120 minutes. That's a great amount of cleaning time. Yeah, you imagine this thing is vacuuming for 2 hours, so you don't have to. It's also ultra quiet. Yeah, I love the rubberized wheels. And if you look, it's got two brushes and multiple sensors. The two brushes are making sure that you're getting dirt and debris from your left and your right. This thing does a great job of obstacle avoidance, and once it maps your room, this thing really is fantastic. It's quick. It systematically goes through and knocks that dirt and debris out. So it's a vacuum and a mop all in one. It's designed for small spaces, low profile to get under your couches and things. It's got that great app experience that's available in your app store, the big water tank, the big dustbin, and that water's going to dry real quick because it's got that vacuum right there. All right, folks, 2 charging modes. You can put the charging cable right into the device or into the docking station. I like putting in the device. And this supports a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi connection. Great for low pile carpet, 0.6 inches thick. And I absolutely love it. So folks, stick around for the up-close portion of the video where we're going to show you even more. All right, folks, now it's time for our up-close portion of the video. Robot vacuum cleaner. It's the Smart AI G50. Simply, smarter, reliable, intelligent. It has a 2 HOUR battery, 2600 PA of suction. That is really powerful. It has a 510 milliliter dustbin. It's quieter than 65 decibels, which is a good sound. Automatic docking. It'll clean on a schedule. 300 milliliters of intelligent water tank. Oh wow, it has the water tank too. Works with your Echo device and your Google Assistant. It has app remote control. Schedule your cleans. And this thing is a machine. So let's go ahead. I'll zoom out for you a little bit. Check out all that comes in here. A nice low profile vacuum cleaner to get underneath all of your cabinets and things. Underneath the countertops. I'm pulling it out of the plastic so you can see. One nice thing I can already tell, on top of the rubberized shock absorbing wheels to make it extra quiet. It does have dual brushes. A lot of vacuum cleaners do not have the dual brushes. And has those big, wide teeth right here to get your cat hair and things. There's also, you can tell, a filter on the dustbin, which is going to keep the dust from going back into your air, which is nice. And of course, you have smart sensors from top to bottom to where it knows that it's not going to be running into stuff. Your docking station, of course, self-docking, that's nice. Fairly common that it's self-docking, but what is not common is the water tank addition. That's just going to clip on right here, and you're going to be able to really clean up the water that way. The instruction manual and the app, of course, are written in clean and easy to read English. Yeah, that's right. Easy to read English is the key. And it has great straightforward diagrams. Your charging connectors on the bottom, your main brush on the bottom, the bumper, the top cover, the dustbin, and the power switch, all straight and easy to see. Right there, there's your power switch. All right, so plugs into 110, that's straightforward. Remote control, you don't get that with every one of them. Does come with the batteries for your remote control, and of course, in case you can switch out which charging you have depending on your country. So folks, really fantastic device. Very much, if you're looking to get this, you can look forward to it because it is a great design. Oops, just gotta put that in right. There we go. Main suction port, 2600 PA of suction, dual brushes, straightforward, easy design, and it does come with a few other accoutrements like a brush to clean out the system itself. So folks, my name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. If you're looking for something that's the bee's knees, the cat's pajamas, and the cat's meow, guess what? This thing is a clean machine. All right, folks. Just go ahead, get yours. You won't be disappointed. Goodbye, my friends.